Tired of juggling multiple passwords on your phone? Let's unlock a simpler, more secure way to access your work apps with Okta Mobile. First, head to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Okta Mobile. Tap Install and allow the application to completely download. Once installed, tap the Okta Mobile app icon to launch it. You'll typically be prompted to enter your organization's Okta domain, which your IT department should provide. Next, enter your username and password. This is the same credential you use to log into Okta on your computer. To keep your account extra secure, you'll likely be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. Follow the on-screen instructions to enroll in your organization's preferred method, such as Okta Verify, SMS codes, or a security key. Congratulations, you're in. You should now see a personalized dashboard with all the applications assigned to you by your organization. Simply tap on an app icon to launch it instantly. With single sign-in taking care of the login process. Having trouble? Double-check your internet connection, ensure you've entered your credentials correctly, and contact your IT support team for assistance with domain information or MFA setup. Now you can enjoy secure and seamless access to all your work apps on the go with Okta Mobile. Stay connected and productive wherever you are.